Hey, friends! Look what we found!
Whoa! What's that?
I don't know, but it looks mysterious.
Uh-oh!
It's a mystery box!
But what's hiding inside?
Let's find out together!
Ready?
3, 2, 1!
Press!
Press! Look! Something popped out!
It's a ball. But wait, what color is it?
Yellow!
Yellow. I knew it.
Great job!
Wait, did you hear that?
The box is moving.
Something else is inside. Should we press it again?
Let's do it!
3,
2, 1!
Press!
Press!
Whoa! A car!
What color is the car?
Blue!
Awesome! Okay, my turn. It's very quiet.
Maybe it doesn't want to open!
Oh, really? Press! 3, 2, 1! Press!
Press!
Whoa! It surprised me. What color is it? Red.
You got it!
This one is different.
The button isn't glowing.
Maybe there's nothing inside.
Let's see.
Ready?
3, 2, 1!
Press!
Press!
Look, green.
You found 4 colors.
But wait,
There's one more mystery.
Can you guess the color before it pops out?
what color is hiding inside?
I think I know.
You did it! That was so much fun!
We found so many colors.
I wonder what's in the box next time.
Bye,
Bye, friends.